Oh my gosh, what happened to your phone?
So I was running for the bus and assuming it fell out of my pocket. I come off the bus and I see my phone on the ground and it was practically destroyed.
Wow.
If it's fixable, do you think you can change the color as well?
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
It looks like you're gonna need everything. This one is really bad. Man, we gotta put new frame on this one as well. Damn. Oh my gosh. Look at the battery. This one is not even connecting. Transferring data. Time to fix this bad boy. Surgery time. We have to put new battery as well. This battery is no good. And it needs new camera as well. It's broken from here. Right there. And it's a new back camera. We're gonna put this in Rise the color change. Wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Alright, color change. Now we can go ahead and put everything in there. Battery installed. Let's put the board. We got the new camera. Your phone is ready, miss. Look at that. Look at this.
Thank you so much. I was so worried about losing all my recordings and everything. I was actually so worried about this. Thank you for changing the color. It's beautiful.
You're welcome.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yeah.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slow